Like, subscribe, and get notified.
The Congress has demanded that the governor cannot be a mute spectator and should summon the chief minister with regard to the allegations leveled by fugitive Suleiman Khan, and all involved should be suspended. Law and order has touched a new low, Congress alleged. Suleiman was escorted by a force of 12 policemen. Many of the attacks and criminal cases happening in Goa are linked to land. Congress said the police are just not scared because they have the protection from politicians.
I believe that the governor should not be a mute spectator. He has to immediately summon the chief minister. And whatever has been transpired yesterday, through the video, whatever are the allegations, action and suspension of all these people involved should happen absolutely immediately. Crime branch today does not have a sadharan washroom facility. This particular Amit, jo teka accused aha teka illot pade mutpak or whatever it is, because there is no facility, toilet facility, this is a joke. The Home Ministry basically has failed. Was Suleimana Hubli to motorcycleaचे वयल्लो गाडयेन वयल्लो कित्याक जो तेणे खुलासो केला की there were 12 people who escorted him. There were 2 cars that took him, police people that went ahead of him. So these are very, very serious allegations. Nothing but chore police politician nexus.
आणि हाजे सगळे जर आम्ही नेक्सस जर पळयत ते मागीर मांद्रेचो इश्यू आसतलो जो महेश कोणाटकरा कडेन जालो, मोर्जेचे प्रकरण जातून राजेश फडतेचे इश्यू आसतलो, आणि हो आता सुलेमान, हे तिनूय जर आम्ही इन्स्टन्सीस पळयत जाल्यार ऑल आर लिंक टू द लँड. सो आम्ही टाइम एंड अगेन जे सांगत आसा की गोंयचे जागे, गोंयचे जमनी हे सरकार व मुख्यमंत्री ताचे मंत्री जे दलाल कसे गोंयचे जागे पळय जमनी विकतात ताचे हे क्लासिक उदाहरण की गोंय मुखार आतां कशें जाता.
पुलिसांक भिरांत ना. म्हाका होम मिनिस्टर, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर हॅज टू एक्ट सिरियसली. आतां आमी तां सांगता पण बॉर्डर जेन्ना तो क्रॉस करता तेन्ना आमगे पुलीस आशिल्ले वा नाशिल्ले, दे वर इन्वॉल्वड, तांकां बॉर्डर तांकांय सांगून एक भायर गायल्लो कितें. सी टुडे आफ्टर पॉलिटिशियन्स, पुलीस जनता जो पब्लीक आहा हो पुलिसांचेर भरपूर विश्वास दवरता. आनी समज पुलीस एस्कुताय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ओन्ली गॉड कॅन सेव अस. सो म्हाका इतलें डिमांड, आमगे मागणें आमी सांगल्या प्रमाणे आमगे लिडरांनी वी शुड हॅव अ थरो प्रो इन इट एंड दॅट कॉन्फिडन्स इन पुलीस, पुलिसांचो कॉन्फिडन्स आहा, जनतेचो कॉन्फिडन्स आहा, म्हाका रिगेन करपाचो भरपूर गरज आहा.
Watch on Herald TV.